What's up, guys? Back with another video. Today we are driving around my RC car. As you can see, it's pretty sick. I've been driving around for a few minutes. The top is all the way over there because I was doing drifts around here, and we're gonna hit some jumps, which is over there, right there. And then after we hit some jumps, I'm gonna do a little bit of donuts, and then when the battery dies, that'll be the video. Okay? Let's get to it. Guys, we're back. I got the top on. We're gonna do some drifts for a second, just for a few seconds, and then we're gonna do jump. Oh, it's slippery. It's really slippery. It kind of does like a burnout. Not so much drift. Oops. Oh. That was sick. Wait. Ready? We're gonna do some burnouts. Oh my god. Oopsies. I did not mean to do that, guys. My RC car like went out of control there. That didn't sound good. Okay, I'm gonna be right back with you guys and set up the jumps. Okay, guys, we're back. The jump's here. That is the thing. It's supposed to jump and clear that, hopefully. And hopefully I don't break my RC car. So let me just push this forward. Okay, there, it's set up. My RC car is right here. We're gonna put it to the fence. We're gonna make it dry. Oh, what was that? Squirrel. We're gonna make it drive here, up the ramp, clear. If it clears, you have to like and subscribe. If it doesn't, at least comment, please. Okay. I'll move up the way. Okay, here it goes, guys. Line up. Oh, the back tire is a little bent, guys. I'll fix that later. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Oh! Oh, why does this keep happening, guys? I'm sorry about the inconvenience. This is like my first vlog, and I've never really done this before, so bear with me. But the back tire is a little bit bent, as you can tell, compared to like that tire or this tire. So I might need to get that checked out or check it out. But you know, it's fine. So this jump I gotta fix. So you're just gonna come along and help me. So this is the ramp that I built. It's like, I added these on the bottom. It took like an hour because I didn't know that needed like this one drill bit that was metal and not wood. I don't know. My dad helped me with it. And then I found these two plank things at school and added this because it was a massive gap. See, a gap. So I just added that so that wouldn't happen. So I'm gonna put the ramp there, grab this thing, and pull it back a little more. Okay, there we go. Or maybe, guys, I might just shove this forward. Keeps moving. Shove this forward, and then it'll just drive off and go, hopefully. Oh, my hands are so cold. So, it's cold. So I'm gonna put my phone down here. Okay, so I'm putting my phone down. Don't mind my brother, guys. Can you see? You can see good. You'll see it clear. You'll see it come. Bryson, you gotta move. It's right directly at you. Okay, guys. You going?
Hey guys, it's my brother's YouTube channel. I used to have a YouTube channel.
I need to get this thing. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god, I keep. Oh, and then. Why does this keep happening? It is not fun.
What the?
I would break the steering. Guys, there's no power to it. See that?
What's that?
Oh my gosh, bro. No way, I just broke this stuff.
You hit this, and now there's a big gap there, probably.
Okay, guys.
Oh no, not the wind, not the wind, not the wind.
I'm gonna figure out what just happened because I am not. What even happened? Oh my gosh! I impacted it so hard. This thing is supposed to connect to that thing.
Colton, no
I
way.
knocked it off so badly. Okay, let's just push that back on.
I can
Push
do
that back on. There. Oh, okay, it's back alive. Okay,
just like
we're
that.
gonna do a bump and hope it doesn't ruin it. Bryson, if you see it's gonna ruin, please just like stop it. Okay.
What do you mean?
Oh, Diet Coke, not sponsored. Okay. Wait, so I just want to see if this even works. Can you hold the phone? Can you hold it so you can record me?
Make sure it's easy.
Okay, so I'm gonna just try like the steering. We already got it. Okay, I'm just gonna see if this can. Okay. Gotta. Okay, ready, guys? Try. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
I'll move this thing out of the way, guys.
3, 2, 1.
I'll flip it over. This thing is insane because he got a new charger. His other charger was melting, so he got a new charger and it's extra speed now. It's double speed. Bro hit the tree.
And now it's not out again. It did the same thing it did when I hit that massive rubber block.
Oh my gosh, it can stay on the pool cover. That's my brother right there. It's his YouTube channel. I used to have a YouTube channel, but got banned from it. That was good. Yeah, I did. I think I got it on camera. I'll go fix it.
It's good. It's good.
It's coming, bro. It's like a monster. This thing's a monster. Like it is. I think I got that on camera, Colton. I'm not so sure, but I think I did. Wait 1 sec, guys. Get this on film. Bro, it like double flipped.
Guys, watch this. This is insane.
Colton, the battery's about to die. It's blinking.
Ready, guys? Watch this.
What the?
Oh, stuck. Oh, look at that wheel, guys. Look at that wheel. It's like kind of bent.
Wait, which one?
This one right here. See, it's kind of bent. Okay.
Look at that boy go, bro. It's like two,
Up the hill.
two,
Oh.
it's like 2 the speed. Bro's going fast as like Mario the third. The fastest man on the third. Go boy. Go boy. Bro, you're insane.
I know.
Do you want me to move back to the middle?
Sure.
Okay. Got to move the ramp back to the middle.
One more time, and I'm gonna call it end because I'm freezing. 3, 2, 1. That was not a good one. Gotta make it good.
Oh my god, that scared me. Bro. Three, 2, 1, go! Not a good one. You can restart if you want. I don't care. Ugh. I'll tell you when to go, okay?
What just happened?
What just happened?
It's done. Okay, guys, this has to be the last one.
Got. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. That was a sick one. And it did a front flip. That was sick. Bro, do I gotta just
Hey
say?
guys, so as you can see, it didn't do its best because it was dead, as you can see. So next time, I think I might
Press the button, press the
charge-
button.
Charge the yep.
Doesn't do anything.
Wait, it might.
Nope. Oh,
Oh, the wheels.
the wheels.
The wheel looks loose.
Oh my gosh. That wheel looks loose.
Wait, can I move it? Wait, if I don't, oh, I can move it. Oh no.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Wait, like, oh yeah, it's like.
Oh.
Okay, well, it's
Dang.
so. Next time I might build a bigger ramp. And next time I do this, it might be the winter time. Well, like snow everywhere, and it's gonna drive in the snow. It's gonna be crazy. So,
We're gonna make a snow trail. Yeah, we're gonna make a snow trail, right?
okay, we'll make a snow trail. Okay. So if you guys like this video and you want to see more, just comment down below. More RC, And if you don't, then suggest to me, because I can basically do anything. I have Roblox games. I have like so much stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed. Please consider like and subscribe. Peace out. Bye.